Hello, good morning. I am Aarti Jagadale from AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Here we will study the loop control statement. Loop control structures. The loop control statement is the combination of some conditions that direct the body of the loop to execute until the specified condition becomes false. The purpose of the C loop to repeat the same code number of times. So we can save a data by writing the code multiple times. So the types of loops in C depending upon the position of control statements in a program. The looping statement in a C is classified into two types. First one is entry control loop. Second one is exit control loop. In an entry control loop in C, the condition checked before executing the body of the loop. It is called as pre-checking loop. And in exit control loop, the condition is checked after executing the loop. It is called as post-checking loop. For, while, do while, break, and continue statements, go to statement, these are the loop control statements here. Here, the for loop we can use here to print 1 to 10 numbers in which we take int I is the variable which increment by 1 I plus plus operator, that is plus operator we have used here to increment I by 1 only, and first condition is I is equal to 1, but the second condition is I is less than or equal to 10. That is, your limit is up to 10 only. And then print I by using percentage %d. Now the while loop. Here the while loop is programming repeatedly. In a C programming, repeatedly execute the largest statement as long as in a given condition is true, while in a bracket the condition, then in a bracket the statement. Here the statement may be a single statement or a block of statements. The condition may be any expression, and a true is an non-zero value. The loop iterates while the condition is true. When the condition becomes false, the program control passes to the line immediately following the loop. Here, the key point to note is that a while loop might not execute at all. When the condition is tested and the result is false, the loop body will be skipped and the first statement after the while loop will be executed. Here the flowchart of while condition and the condition code. First, we have to go to the condition. If condition is true, then code is block here. And the condition is false, then the while loop is going to stop there. Here is a program where we can use the while loop for the execution. Now the do while. The do while is similar like the while loop, but with an important difference is the body of do and the while loop is executed at least once. Only then the test expression is evaluated. Means both body of the loops do and while should be executed here. How here the while loop works. The body of do, the while loop is executed once. Only then the test expression is evaluated. If the test expression is true, the body of the loop is executed again, and the test expression is evaluated once more. This process goes on until test expression becomes false. If test expression is false, then the loop ends. Now we can check the do while loop by using the flowchart condition. If the text expression is true, it goes to the do while loop, and the false, it goes to the it. Do while loop is promote the user to enter a number of the loop works as long as the input number is not 0. The do while loop execute at least once. The first iteration runs without checking the condition, and the condition is checked only after the first iteration is executed. Here do means you have to do first, and do first your operations, then check your condition. Here we can check the program, that is to add the number until the user enters the 0. Here we can see here the in do code or do condition, do and while loop here we use. So in under do there is a code in which only operations are there, and in the while loop here is only we can give the condition. Thank you.